Alright guys, do you want to see the unboxing? Plus in the chat. Plus in the chat if you want to see the unboxing. Which one should we start, by the way? Which one should we start? Sylvanas or Illidan? What is it? Sylvanas and ladies first? Okay, ladies first, dude. Ladies fucking first. We're opening the biggest shit ever here. Oh shit! Give me the plus in the chat if you love it. Sylvanas, baby. Blizzard Entertainment, guys. Look at her doing her fucking job. Woo! Oh my god. She said, I have walked the realms of the dead. I have seen the infinite dark. Nothing you say or do could possibly frighten me. Okay. The box is too small? Yeah, I agree. It is way too small. This is how we're gonna do it. Watch this 4K now. Oh, daddy. We're gonna start at 1, the legs. 2, the fucking, I don't know, shoulders. 4 is the other shoulder. 5 is the head. 6 is the head. 7 is the bow. 8 is the back bow. And 9 is whatever. It's starting, guys. Are you fucking ready, or? Show me the Banshee Queen. Is it time? Is it time for Sylvanas? The Banshee Queen. The legend. The one and only. Is it happening? I think there is, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, my shoulder. Oh, my Poggers in the chat. Yo, what is this quality, bro? What the fuck? Her bow. Her fucking... Oh, shit, guys. Guys. Oh, daddy, the 4K bow. Oh, daddy. Ah. That ass, though. Her belt, guys. Give it up for her belt. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Ooh. Oh, my God. Why does it weight so much? The stone where she's gonna stay, guys. Hype in the chat. Oh, daddy. Dude, that actually weighs a lot. What the fuck? Oh, my God. The realistic bow. Are you kidding me? Oh, my God. Poggers. What the fuck? Even covers, like even this shit here. What do you mean, dude? That's actually giga nice. What the fuck? Oh. And the most important thing, her head. Oh shit. We have to attach this one here somehow. Dude, this is next level shit somehow. Okay, wait. I think it has to be like this. Yo, dude. Okay, that was step number 1. Step number 2. Oh yeah, her back, guys, her back. Her cloak. You see that? It's gonna be... Oh. Oh shit. Yo, man, dude. Oh, there is also another thing I have to attach. Wait. This is the back, and there is something more. I don't know what is going on there, dude. I just don't get what the number 3 is. I think it's the belt. I'm not... Oh yeah, it is the belt, guys. Is attached here, and where else is the... Oh. Okay, this is a bit complicated here, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. I got it. Okay, watch. This is actually the min-max. So here, this thingy gonna be going through this here to here until all the way to the top. So it's gonna be... I don't see it from here. Boom. 1. And the second one is gonna be attached here. 2. Oh, shit. Oh, fucking... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh shit. Dude, this is actually giga big. It's actually giga. This was number 3. Number 4, her shoulder. This is gonna be the right shoulder, so I guess it's gonna be here. Oh shit, did you guys saw it? No, you didn't. Ugh. All magnetic. All fucking magnetic. And now the left one. Oh shit, guys, it's happening. Is it happening? Oh, daddy. So this is gonna be a bit tricky one. I don't see it from here, but it should be... Oh, I cannot see it. 1 sec. Oh yeah, it is like this. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Dude. Okay, that was number 6. Number 7 is the bow. So this is gonna be a tricky one. Dude, the bow is actually giga hard to do. Oh fuck, man. This is not easy, bro. This is actually not easy. Oh, fuck. And now we have to put it in here. Oh, shit. Oh, my... What the fuck? Her kiva. Oh, fuck me, man. And now the last thing to do, which I don't understand. We're gonna take an arrow. So how the fuck should this work in the first place though? Because I really have to understand here what is going on. Okay, so this is gonna be here. And this is... Okay, this is some engineering shit now. This is hard. Okay, so let me see this in bigger picture. I think I made it, but I just want to go sure. Yeah, I think it's done. All right, guys, are you ready? Shit, I have 3 of them, man. That's so crazy. This is actually not easy, by the way. Man, this is actually crazy. Okay, this shouldn't be it. All right, guys, do you want to see Sylvanas? It's done. It was a work, but it's good. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. It's actually crazy. It's actually really good. Oh my god. That was intense, man. It could be a bit loud, but don't worry. Everything is fine.